Swimming.
Are they moving?
Yeah, they're moving.
Wow, it's cool, little snails. Why yes, this is my third take. All right, so today is July 25th, 2025, and we're about ready to decandle this beautiful little tree I've been working on for about 4 years. Yesterday I just spent a little bit of time cleaning it and just enjoying its beauty and how far it's come along. A long ways to go, but it's still a gorgeous little tree. Let me spin it around for you before I start decandling. All right, let me start decandling and probably post this video in about 2-3 weeks. Take care. So here is the current front that I posted on Facebook. And here is the proposed that I might do, just a hair. And if you notice that, and I'll probably let this grow a little bit longer, and I might shorten this, let this grow longer. But what I get out of that is I get more movement in the trunk. And it's a little bit hidden right here. It's a little hidden. So you just get a little bit more movement. All right, well, thanks for playing along. Well, okay, we are done for now. We decandled most of the tree except for branches that I'm still growing a branch. And so here is our after we decandle. And it is coming along. And of course, this is the front. And I did a little survey on Facebook, and I wanted to change. Here is going to be probably the new front, so I get a little bit more movement out of that trunk. All right, have a great day. Take care. Long ways from the original pictures. All right. See you on the next tree.